So a couple of days ago, I got a random message on Instagram from someone telling me that they turned $10 into over $300 trading. And I get about 50 of these messages every single day. So I ignored it as I normally do because it's normally someone asking me for money. But curiosity kicked in and I actually went ahead and clicked on the message. And lo and behold, he was actually telling the truth. This guy had found a way without much risk to turn $10 into $320, which I thought was insane. So I looked into it and I genuinely think this guy might have found one of the best ways for traders with low amounts of capital to start making money in trading. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how he did it. So how did this guy do it? Well, actually, he'd found a prop firm that was offering an instant funded 10K account for just $10. I literally thought it was bullshit, so I reached out to the firm and full transparency, they asked me to do a video on them. So here it is. But the reason I'm bringing this to you is because I genuinely think this is a super crazy option for those traders who have a little bit lower starting capital. Guys, as I was editing this video, I realized I forgot to tell you guys that we are doing a 2 times 50K account giveaway. So throughout this video, somewhere in the video, there is going to be steps on exactly how you can enter a giveaway to win a 50K account. There's going to be 2 winners, super simple giveaway completely for free. So make sure you watch the entirety of the video so that you know exactly how to enter the giveaway. And otherwise, let's get back to it. Next Level Funded have a 10K instant funded account, so you can trade immediately, no evaluation, for $10. And in this video, I'm going to take you through how it works, the firm itself, and exactly whether or not it is worth it. So this is Next Level Funded, and essentially they are a prop firm in the Forex space that is offering some crazy shit, to be honest. I haven't traded Forex props ever since I moved over to futures, but they are looking like they're going to make me come back over because this shit is pretty insane. Now, if you are a trader, like I said, who's lacking in a bit of capital, let's just dive straight into it because I don't want to waste too much of your time. This special account, now they have a few options here, 1-step, 2-step, and the special and instant models. Yeah, these are insane. Now, their instant funding model, the 10K for $10 right here, is arguably the best deal they've got. It's an instant funding account, unlimited trading days, so you can trade as long as you want. You get a 50% profit split from the get-go. Obviously, you're not going to get 100%. It's a $10 account. You need only 5 trading days to get the payout, which is absolutely insane. There's a 20% consistency rule, which yes, maybe is a bit harsh, but that's actually pretty much the same as like Apex or another firm like that. So realistically, not too difficult. And max loss is 5%, so it is extremely tight. Daily drawdown is 3% though. So realistically, if you are trading with tight stops, you know, sort of $50 stops, maybe even $100 stops, there's realistically no way you should hit that daily drawdown and that trading drawdown. Now, this is actually pretty crazy. But let's look at the other accounts quickly before we deep dive into the FAQs and all that sort of stuff. One of the main things that's good here is they actually do offer MetaTrader 5. Now, a lot of prop firms in the Forex space have had a trouble with this. They can't offer MetaTrader because of licensing, all that sort of stuff. But these guys have it. They also have MetaTrader, but I would use MetaTrader if I were you. But yeah, other deals they have, 50K for $50, 100K for $100. Again, this is absolutely insane. But yeah, so they have a 2-step model, which is just more of your standard Forex industry 2-step model, which is, yeah, 80% profit split, which is good. What is it? 4% drawdown, 8%, yeah, overall. That's pretty decent. And it's $27. I've just realized that. That is ridiculously cheap. So yeah. Realistically, any of these accounts are going to be worth it for you, to be honest. $27, you get buy one, get one free as well. So that's pretty crazy. Absolutely insane. The 1-step model is relatively decent as well. I would be looking at the 2-step though. It's probably a lot better. But if you are looking to get instant funded, that 10K for $10 sounds pretty decent. Now let's just dive into the FAQs, see if they've got any hidden rules, because that is obviously always a bit of a difficult one. Now, the instant funding pro account rules. There's weekend holding not allowed, but you can actually opt to have that, I believe. The buy one, get one free, we're not worried about that. So it is a monthly fee. Obviously, this is more like a futures pricing model. So you do pay like that $10 a month. But, oh no, this is, sorry, above the 25K, so don't worry about that. So anything above the 25K is a monthly subscription, which is actually preferable to me, to be honest. It's more like a futures model, which is way better. You don't want to pay all of that upfront in a one-time fee and have more opportunity cost on the line. On-demand payouts as well. If the trader meets all the requirements of their trading account and achieves a profit of 4% or more, they're able to withdraw at their choice. Holy, so you can withdraw whenever you want. On demand, no requirement for you to actually wait for a certain day like most Forex props do, which is super annoying, to be honest. There is going to be a profit cap though. First withdrawal is capped at 4%, second withdrawal capped at 6%, third withdrawal and onwards the cap is lifted. Okay, cool. So realistically, 4% payout at the beginning is massive, right? You shouldn't really be even like trying to go above that anyway. 4% for the first payout, which is obviously going to pay for on that 10K account. That's going to be what, $40. That's going to pay $400. That's going to pay for way more than the actual account itself that you paid. So definitely worth it in my opinion. Prohibited trading rules. Let's just see if they have anything difficult here. Anything tough. All traders must be held for the minimum of 2 minutes. Again, so unless you're super scalping, that's not really a terrible rule. If you are a super scalper, then maybe this is not the account for you, but yeah, realistically, not a problem. No exploiting, no hedging. This is standard stuff. Use of EAs. EAs are allowed, but they must follow the rules. Yeah, pretty simple stuff. It doesn't look to me, I've had a look through this before briefly as well. It doesn't look to me as if they have any crazy hidden rules. You can also get pushed up to a live account as well, which is great. We've already gone into the payout on demand. So yeah, realistically, the only thing is profitable day requirements, right? You need a 0.5% profit, so a $50 day for 5 days before you get the payout, which is pretty standard for an instant funding. So realistically, there's only one thing left for me to do, which is go ahead and grab an account with these guys. I'm going to grab an account and I'm probably going to be trading this up, try and get it to a good little payout here. But yeah, these guys, I spoke to the owner of the firm in DMs, very good guy. And he actually is offering you guys a giveaway on this video. So I believe he's going to be giving away 2 50K accounts. So let me lock in for this one. NLF are giving you 2 50K accounts to give away for this video. And what I'm going to do is the only thing you need to do to go ahead and enter is to click the link in my description, join my Discord, and follow me and NLF on Instagram. Very simple. But yeah, realistically, win 2 50K accounts. So 2 people will win a 50K account. Super generous of them. Let's get back into the review. So once you go ahead and buy an account, which is what I did here, you'll get sent to this dashboard. As you can see, it shows your trading history. Obviously, I've not taken any trades, so I've got no win rate, no P&L, all that sort of stuff. You can even see the open trades on here, which is pretty sick. And then, yeah, this is essentially the dashboard that you're going to be sent to. You've also got, if I click home here, the entire dashboard with all of your accounts. You can see exactly how many days you need, everything you need to know, all the metrics about the account, you know, the platform, login details, balance, consistency score, everything you need to know, which is great. So you can track your trades here, and you can also see a calendar of all your trades. So you can take a journal, look at your win rate, refine your strategy. Super useful for anyone who's trying to become profitable, or essentially anyone who wants to become more profitable, right? You can even see stuff like your Sharpe ratio and profit factor, which is pretty cool. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is go ahead and try and trade this account up to a payout within the next couple of weeks. Should be fun. I'll be probably doing it live on YouTube. So if you guys do want to see that, make sure you click the subscribe button so you can see me trade this, take it up to a payout and request that payout. And yeah, other than that, guys, if you do have a little bit less starting capital than maybe you would like, or maybe you just want access to some cheap funded accounts, NLF, in my opinion, is the way to go. $10 for a 10K account is absolutely ridiculous. And like I said, they are running the giveaway throughout this video, which is going to be absolutely insane. So click the link down below to join my Discord and to go ahead and follow me and NLF on Instagram. And that is essentially the video. So if you did enjoy, make sure you like and subscribe. We've got more trading educational videos coming every single week, as well as live trading. And other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next one.